to Whiteboard Wednesday. It's Real Talk with a Realtor. I'm Sharice Wynn, also known as the Agent Lady. And today, guys, we are going to talk about why have a buyer consultation? Well, number one, getting to know each other. I mean, it's not just you interviewing them. It's the agent actually interviewing you to make sure that you guys are going to be a good fit and working together. That makes sense to me. Number two is the process. You want to get to learn the process while you're there. From pre-approval to settlement. Obviously, there's a bunch of things in between, such as the pre-approval process. How does that work? Such as once you actually find a home that you want to submit an offer on, what does the actual agreement of sale look like? And what are the documents that accompany the agreement of sale? What is it that you need to have so you feel comfortable moving forward? Because at the end of the day, it's not just showing up with some keys and like, do you want to buy this house? It's, you know, the process. Do you feel comfortable with the process so you can move forward with that house that you see? Number three, setting up expectations. So, you know, getting to know each other and again, learning the process and setting up the expectation of possibly working with one agent. And why would you want to work with one agent? Well, you know, not having to start all over again. Every time you have a conversation with an agent, you go maybe find a house on Zillow or Realtor.com, you click the button, and then you're like, hey, I want to see this house. And then you have 5 other houses to see with 5 other agents, having to have the same conversation over and over again and losing efficiency. Like maybe you could have found the house faster by working with one because that agent is also now working on your behalf and knowing the criteria that you're looking for. And now, you know, that process is more streamlined. So that's, you know, pretty much why you want to do a buyer consultation. So guys, if you have any other questions, you know where to find me. And remember, friends don't let friends buy or sell real estate without the agent lady. Make it a great day.